Hello all, welcome to RawTrainings.com. In this session, we'll discuss about how do we create a dashboard prompt. So there are three particular tools we'll be using or BI objects we'll be using. The first one is analysis, nothing but OTBI analysis, we call it as. And the other one is a dashboard and the other one is dashboard prompt. Dashboard is an object wherein a couple of objects will be displayed in the dashboard. Dashboard prompt, it's like a filtering criteria for the dashboard. So to create a particular sample with dashboard prompt, generally there are a number of approaches we follow. But now the approach which we follow in our session today is the first thing what we do is we'll create an analysis with prompt, and then we'll create an object called dashboard prompt, and then finally we'll create a dashboard based on the analysis with prompt as well as the dashboard with prompt. Nothing but the dashboard which we create in the last step will include the first two components. Okay, so the final expected output which we'll design is similar to like this. Now here what we are providing is we are providing an input called registry ID. Once user clicks on apply, they will get the appropriate result. Now we'll just navigate to the Fusion application instance now. So we'll navigate to the analytics. So here I navigated to the analytics. The first thing what we want to do is we want to create an analysis. So I'll just click on create analysis. So I'll go with supplier. Supplier real time. Supplier real time. Save the analysis first before doing any changes. So you can save anywhere as of now. You can share folders or my folders. So let us say I'll click on shared folders and I'll click create. I already have a folder called Aura Trainings. So let me save there. Yeah, this. Okay. So let me create a new folder inside shared folders. Okay. I'll just say Aura Trainings. So I'm creating a folder inside the shared folder. Okay. Now here I'll mention supplier analysis OTBI. This is my supplier analysis OTBI. So I'll just move a couple of columns. I'll say supplier number, supplier real time, supplier profile. So we have to move the supplier number from the supplier profile. Now we'll try to get the supplier name also. This is not the one. This is not one. So we have to get the supplier real time supplier profile. Yeah, this is the one. Now similarly, we can get the information from the supplier site addresses, supplier site general, or we can just try to filter supplier site name. Yeah, address name is the one. Procurement BU. Okay. We can get country, state, statuses, status or state, etc. But now, like major concentration on the supplier data as well as supplier side data. That should be fine. As of now, click on save and just see the result. So we're able to procure good amount of information. So now what I want to do is, let's say I want to filter the data based on supplier number. Okay. So here, click on this particular supplier number column and click on filter. And here in the operator, you just simply select is prompted. You have to select supplier number is prompted. That's it. So now we have created analysis and we have created a prompt called supplier number is prompted. So the next task is we have to create a dashboard prompt. Click on create and click on dashboard prompt. We have to create dashboard prompt for the column called supplier number now. So same thing, I'll select a supplier profile again, supplier subject area, supplier real time. So I'll select supplier number here also. Click on new column prompt. Now here it will ask you to select. There is no option to filter, like we have to manually expand it. Supplier profile, go with supplier number. Okay, so this is a exact one. Supplier number. You can select if at all, if you want to have a custom number, custom label, you can mention. Select supplier number. And it's okay. You can go with choice list and you can check the options also. You can make it mandatory or you can include all values, etc. As of now, you can just go with the default and click on save. So I'll say supplier number DB prompt. So we have created analysis with prompt supplier number, which is a dashboard prompt. Click on OK. Two objects we created. Now the final one is click on create, click on dashboard. Now we'll create the dashboard. So yeah, select the location before entering anything. So click on browse catalog and you can select the location. Yeah, I'll just select here and I'll mention supplier dashboard with dashboard prompt. So now new dashboard will get created. So by default, you have the page with a page 1, let it be. So now click on shared folder, expand it, and here scroll down, find out the raw trainings folder. Now there are two things you have to, okay. So here it is not showing anything as of now, right? So yeah, so we can see here, again scroll down a little bit, we have to see the analysis also, right? Scroll down, yeah. So we could see the dashboard prompt as well as supplier analysis OTBI, right? So drag and drop the dashboard prompt here, supplier DB with DB prompt. Sorry, this is not the one. Just sorry. So you have to drag and drop supplier number DB prompt. This is the dashboard prompt, supplier number dashboard prompt, and the other one is the analysis, right? Supplier analysis OTBI. So we can drag and drop the analysis. So generally the filter criteria will be on the top, right? So we have to. That's the reason we have selected the prompt first and then the analysis later. Okay. Now you can just click on save. Click on run, and let's say I'll select 1252 is my supplier, and I'll select. Yeah, so we could get the data of only a supplier with the name Lee supplier. Let's say you just remove the supplier, click on apply. Maybe you'll select some other supplier called 1261. Let's type that one, 1261. Click on OK, right? We are getting the data of the supplier name GE. Now, so let us do some more settings here. I'll click on edit dashboard. And we can click on this particular icon, gear icon, click on dashboard properties, click on the page, and here click on the rename. Now change the name of the page. I'll say supplier page. And if at all, if you want to have some more property information, click on print and export. And you can change the size. You can have the size as A3, A5, or A4, and orientation as, like custom. You can mention landscape. And also there is other thing called print and export option. Yeah, page report links. Yeah, you can click on page report links and you can customize it. You can have an option called customize, edit, refresh, and print also. Now just retry again. I'll just run it. Click on run. Now we could see the edit, report, and print. And now we can try to run the report again. Let's say I'll select 1266. So now we are getting the data based on the supplier we have selected. So this is all about a dashboard with a dashboard prompt. Thank you.